This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for November 10th, 2017. Corn market on the day up 1 to 2, soybeans up 2, Chicago wheat up 2 to 4, Minneapolis down a half in the front, up 2 in the back, and Kansas City up 3 to 4. On the week, corn down 4 3/4, soybeans up 1/4, Chicago wheat, up 5 3/4, Minneapolis up 21 1/4 for our big gainer, and Kansas City up 6 1/2. As you look to the week, USDA crop reports stole the headlines. Markets were already trying to set a base of stability in reverse, but Thursday gave us a downtick of 6 cents in corn and over that in beans anywhere from 10 to 14 cents. So we set back a little bit. Wheat market really didn't find anything too exciting, so that was able to hold steady, and that's why you're seeing better gains on the week. But as we look to next week, we're really looking for corn to bottom between this 334 to 341 area. Soybeans, it could get down to that 965 area, 970, but we look for support there off that January. And really upside counts still point to about a 20-25 cent rally in corn as we work ahead, and around that $10 to $10.20 level in the soybeans. So we really hope to capitalize on the carry opportunities here somewhere between now and January 1st. Going to take a little time to get past this report, but we do look for commercials and users to step in here and start to buy, and I think they're going to struggle to originate some grain once this grain's locked up. So look for a little more range-bound market, but we're near the lower end from our vantage point, at least for the corn and wheat markets for now. Minneapolis really the hot market with bull spreads coming together, and we'll watch protein levels very close as well. Resistance counts in spring wheat around that 656 to 681 level, so we're looking for marketing details into that window. As you look to the feeder cattle here, steady to down 60 on Friday. Live cattle front months down 190, back months down 70 to 160, and the hog market anywhere from down 70 off the front, up 60 in the back. So really kind of a choppy action there. Cash trade on the week for cattle, 122 to 124, and 192 dress was really the feature there. On the weekly trade, down 240 feeder cattle, down 672 1/2 live cattle, and down 262 1/2 on the hog market. Hogs really had a disappointing week on the export side of things. When you look to kind of next week, we look for the market to be a little more support-based in the cattle. We think we're going to get down here to some counts, looking at 117 to 119 off that live base. And for the hog market down there around 61. We'll see what Managed Money did on liquidation and then try to set some tone here as we work ahead. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation.